Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Labrador Retrievers that are available on the market for their true quality. It's list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Canin All Life Stages Premium Dry Dog Food. Can you pour a bowl of Canin All Life Stages multi-protein formula? You're not just feeding your Labrador, you're embarking on a journey toward optimal health and happiness. This premium dry dog food shines as our top pick because of its ability to cater to all dogs, irrespective of age or breed, making it the go-to choice for multi-dog households. High-quality chicken, turkey, and lamb meals serve as powerful protein sources that maintain strong muscles and support growth in young pups while sustaining energy levels in adults. Owners will appreciate the inclusion of antioxidants and probiotics that bolster the immune system, along with digestive health, a crucial aspect for Labrador Retrievers known for their active lifestyle. Plus, this formula avoids common allergens like corn, wheat, or soy, which is great news for sensitive pets. The added vitamins and minerals are essential for keeping your lab's joints supple, perfect for those long days spent playing fetch or going on family hikes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Prairie dishes up a hearty blend that taps into your Labrador's ancestral diet. With real roasted bison and venison as its top ingredients, this grain-free recipe fuels your active companion with a high protein content, crucial for maintaining lean muscles and supporting healthy bones and joints. Dog owners will appreciate how every 28-pound bag promises not just gut-friendly canine strain proprietary probiotics, but also a fusion of fruits and superfoods packed with antioxidants for their pet's vitality. This premium dry dog food stands out because it cares for your lab's skin and coat, too, thanks to an abundance of omega fatty acids. Imagine serving your furry friend a feast fit for their wild instincts, while still ensuring they get all the nutrients needed in today's domestic bliss. It's crafted right here in the USA, providing peace of mind about quality standards and ingredient sourcing. At number 3, we have the Purina Pro Plan Complete Essentials Shredded Blend Chicken and Rice Dog Food Dry Formula. Purina Pro Plan high-protein dog food packs a punch for active Labradors, delivering the vital nutrition they need to thrive. The real chicken at the forefront of this blend provides a high-quality protein source that's essential for muscle maintenance in these energetic pups. Fortified with live probiotics, each bite supports not only their muscular frame, but also reinforces digestive health, keeping your four-legged friend's immune system strong. Owners will appreciate how Purina has thoughtfully combined hard kibble with tender, shredded pieces, a design choice that caters to canine preferences and adds excitement to daily feedings. Moreover, the addition of vitamin A and omega-6 fatty acids ensures your Labrador's coat stays as glossy and healthy as it should be. This chicken and rice formula offers a balanced diet, making mealtimes both nutritious and delicious for your pet. At number 2, we have the Purina ONE Natural SmartBlend Dry Dog Food. Give your Labrador a bowl full of nourishment with Purina ONE Natural SmartBlend Dry Dog Food. Made with real chicken, this formula not only appeals to your furry companion's taste buds, but also supplies high-quality protein to maintain their strong muscles and healthy hearts. The added glucosamine supports active joints, perfect for the lively lifestyle Labradors are known for. The blend of omega-6 fatty acids in Purina ONE chicken and rice formula promotes a glossy coat and healthy skin, ensuring your lab looks as good as they feel. Prebiotic fiber contributes to gut health, while an array of vitamins fortifies their immune system, keeping them ready for every adventure that comes their way. Crafted in U.S. facilities with 100% complete nutrition and zero fillers, you can trust every bite is contributing to your pet's overall wellness. And finally, at number 1, we have the Royal Canin Labrador Retriever Adult Breed Dry Dog Food. If you're the proud owner of a Labrador Retriever, keeping your furry friend healthy and happy is no small task. Royal Canin's breed-specific dry dog food caters to the unique needs of labs, from their energetic lifestyle down to their favorite flavor profiles. This 30-pound bag packs a punch with nutrients tailored for adult Labradors over 15 months old, ensuring that your companion maintains an ideal weight through precise calorie control, a real boon for a breed prone to packing on extra pounds. The kibble has been thoughtfully shaped to encourage your lab to eat at a more leisurely pace, reducing the risk of bloat associated with gulping down meals too quickly, an example of design meeting function in dog nutrition. Rich in EPA, DHA, and glucosamine, this formula supports strong bones and joints, essential for the active life that labs lead. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.